leaving the home and family set behind us. You were able to see they were filming out there as we passed by. Again, we are a working studio. What we're doing right now, we're going to bring you into a soundstage. Welcome to Soundstage 50. Now, as we come in here, remember to remain seated. Hold on to your belongings. You don't want to drop anything onto the set. It is very cool. They are allowing us to bring the entire tram inside of Soundstage 50. We want to show you the set, what it's like to be on the inside of a soundstage. Like a subway station. But what we can do is change the signs around the area and make it a different subway station. Whoa, hold on. Okay. Don't worry about that. In California, we have tremors every now and then, so don't worry about that at all. Okay, this is it. This is the big one. The big earthquake we have been waiting for. Everyone remain seated. Hold on to your belongings. We're going to have to ride this out. Okay, I think it's settled down, right? Oh no, not again! You all survived Earthquake, the big one. A simulated 8.3 earthquake on the Richter scale. Now, that was used on a TV show, on an episode of the show Bones, starring David Boreanaz and Emily Deschanel. On your screens, this is going to be the same earthquake, but on the episode of Bones. Take a look.